Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share my favorite DIY hair oil for extreme hair growth. So a few days ago I had posted a picture of this product in my Insta stories and you guys asked me to share the complete procedure of making this hair oil. So yeah, here I am gonna share how to make this hair oil, and the ingredient that I have used in this hair oil are very basic. Those are easily available, आपको बहुत ही आसानी से मिल जाएगा, and also it's very simple to prepare, but it's very effective if you are facing hair fall issue or dandruff issue or any other hair problem like split ends, and there are a lot more. So this oil is really beneficial. So the first ingredient that I'm going to take is this virgin coconut oil, which is a cold pressed coconut oil from the brand Max Care. And why I'm using coconut oil, because I really like the consistency of coconut oil, because it's not too thick, it's not too light, it's just perfect for any hair type. Also, it is rich in vitamins and essential fatty acids that nourish your scalp and remove the sebum buildup from hair follicles. And yes, it has a lot of hair care benefits. Also, as it's very light in consistency, you don't need a lot of shampoo to wash it off, and there is no point of using a thick oil and then end up using a lot of shampoo, which will make your hair dry further. So yes, that is the reason I'm taking this coconut oil. The next ingredient that I'm going to take is very easily available, आपके घर पे easily मिल जाएगा. Onion is rich in sulfur that helps to minimize breakage and thinning of hair. Also, onion is rich in antioxidant that helps to fight scalp infections. It also helps to reduce your dandruff problem and some other hair issues. So yes, I'm gonna take onion as a second ingredient. The next ingredient that I have used is hibiscus flower, जिसे कि हम जवा कुसुम के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Due to its high fatty acid content, hibiscus is being widely used for hair care products, as it's one of the best remedy for hair thinning and bald patches. It stimulates your hair growth. At the same time, it makes your hair smooth and lustrous. Next, I'm gonna use this powder, which I have made using two ingredients, which is fenugreek, जिसे कि हम मेथी भी कहते हैं, and black cumin seed, which is kalonji. मैंने दोनों को mix करके powder बना दिया. So yes, when I'm talking about Kalonji, it is rich in vitamin A, B, C, and also has a good amount of minerals such as magnesium, zinc, iron, and potassium. It also has fatty acids that helps to treat hair fall issues. Now talking about methi, when it comes to hair care, methi or fenugreek seeds are considered to be one of the most effective remedies to treat hair fall. Fenugreek seeds are rich in folic acids, vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, and it's a storehouse of minerals like potassium, calcium, and iron. Helps to prevent and treat many hair issues like dryness of hair, hair fall, dandruff, etc. The next ingredient is amla, which is known as Indian gooseberry. And I don't think I need to say a lot about this, because we all know amla has a lot of medicinal properties, as it's rich in fatty acids and vitamin C and some very essential nutrients. So this is the best remedy for dry hair, dandruff, and hair fall. The next ingredient that I have taken is curry leaves. Now, curry leaves are rich in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and amino acids that reduce hair fall and prevent hair thinning by strengthening your hair strands, hair follicles. Also, if you are facing premature graying, ये काफी ज़्यादा help करता है if you are facing that issue. Also, it helps in dandruff problem, and it just makes your hair very beautiful, healthy, and shiny. Now let's just start the video and see how I'm gonna prepare this hair oil. And also I would like to request you guys कि पूरा video देखें, complete video देखें, because it's very important to add ingredients step by step, जैसा कि मैं डाल रही हूँ, क्योंकि if you will go and mix up everything and add everything in the oil and make your hair oil, it's not going to work, क्योंकि इनमें से कुछ चीज़ें हैं जिन्हें हम ज़्यादा देर के लिए ऑयल में नहीं पका सकते. ऐसा करने से उनका जो न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू है वो खत्म हो जाएगा. So please watch the complete video. First I'm going to take a thick कढ़ाई or a thick pan and I'm going to put it on low flame. ये पूरा का पूरा प्रोसीजर हम low flame पे करने वाले हैं because I really don't want to burn the nutritional value of the ingredient that I'm adding. So yes, I'm putting the kadai on low flame and I'm gonna add coconut oil. So I'll leave it for a few seconds to warm, and once it's bit warmed up, I'm gonna add methi and kalonji ka powder that I had prepared. I'll leave it for 1 to 2 minutes so that the oil will absorb the goodness of the ingredient that I'm adding. After that, I'm going to add amla, and again I'm going to leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to add onion, and again I'm gonna leave it for 1 to. Please follow the same sequence that I'm following because this is very important. Next, I'm going to add hibiscus and curry leaves, and again I'm gonna leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. And once it's done, it would look something like this, and I'm gonna switch off the flame. And now I'm going to leave it until it gets cooled down. And once the oil cools down, I'm gonna strain the oil and it would look something like this. You can see it has turned black because it has absorbed all the goodness of the ingredient that I had added. And now I'm going to store it in a glass bottle. I would suggest you to warm it up a bit before using it. So yes, that was it about the video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with my next post. Till then, take care. Bye bye.